my friends. Thanks for joining me today. Rico says hi. I'm sure that you can hear him loud and clear. He's particularly loud right now. Actually, I'm going to go feed him. I'll be right back. That's usually the call he uses when he's hungry, so we'll see if that works. At any rate, friends, welcome to my 4K giveaway, my road to 4K. I'm not there yet. So I'm going to share with you some entries that I received today. And this beautiful entry is from our friend Leanna at It's a Deal. Look at this beautiful card, you guys. I love it, and I love that these are up on pop dots, and it says hello, and there's 2 butterflies. Let's open that up. Ah, look at this cute envelope. Well, let's read the card. Hi, Jovi. Here's my entry. Found some unicorn ephemera from my stash. Love, Leanna, It's a Deal. Hope you reach your goal of 4K. That's so nice, Leanna. Thank you. And I'm so excited to see what unicorn ephemera you sent to me. First, everybody, let's take a look at this adorable polka dot envelope. Love that. You'll have to excuse my desk. You can see that all of my jelly print fun that I have, or jelly plate fun I have, you know, it ends up on here. Oh, are these cute? Oh my gosh. Okay, we have a sticker. It says, I woke up like this. I love that. I think that's fantastic. And this is a shiny, iridescent unicorn. Love it. Oh, look at this cute, shiny heart. And then we've got some pink stars. These are absolutely adorable. Aw, look at this. Perfectly magical. That's so cute. I love that. Ooh, that's pretty. What a pretty color that is. It's almost like bubblegum pink. That's so pretty. Love it. Oh, another shiny heart. Let me get this over here. Aw, look at the cute little rainbows. They're so adorable. And then we have these cute little unicorns. So cute. Aw. And then another star. Look how cute. Leanna, I love it all. It's all adorable. Can't wait to use it in my unicorn journal, which I haven't started yet, but I can't wait. Thank you so much. Friends, this adorable entry comes from Sierra of Cooley Craft Corner. And I think it's a card. It is. Okay, I literally just pulled it out of the envelope. Aw, what do we have here? Look at this. Hold on, let's read the card. Let's scooch this over. Let me read the card. All right, Jovi, here's my entry for your 4K giveaway. These were so fun. Love the colors. I hope you can use them. Also, a piece of ephemera from a Childcraft booklet from 1954. How fun is that? And I know you have pet birds. Oh, okay, I can't wait to see it. Sierra, Cooley Craft Corner. Ah, speaking of them, you heard them just a minute ago. Let's see what we have here. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, it's perfect. Look, that's so cute. Do you have a cheerful bird as a pet? Aw, that's so adorable. I love it. I love it. So, okay, it opens like this, I think. What do we got? Oh, there we go. Okay. Oh, man, that's really, really cute. Can you guys see it all? I'll turn it sideways. I zoomed in so you could see, you know, like, you could see up close all the goodness here. That's adorable. I love it. Oh, these are great. Let me see here. Oh, how fun. Migratory Bird Treaty. Oh, this is fantastic. 1966. Oh, that's great. I'm going to have to put this in. I'm working on the bird journals, as you guys know, so I have to make sure I put these goodies in that pile. Oh, look, another bird stamp. Oh, these are great. Love it. Oh, these are going to be just so fun to put in there. Look at the Alabama, 1969. Oh, my goodness. Look at this one with the duck. Ah. And then we have these. Look, these are so great. What a wonderful bird stash of stamps you have. What are the chances? And look at these. Okay, so her video just came on the other day, and I saw my name, and I was like, okay, I'm going to click on it, but I'm not going to look because I wanted to be surprised. These are fantastic. I love this for either the Home Sweet Home or the Sewing Journal. It would be great for either one. Look, aren't these so cute? You did such a beautiful job on them. I love them. I love everything. Thank you so much, Sierra. All right, friends, this entry comes from Papercraft Crystal. And there's a little note. It says, oops, let me get this up here for you. It says, I'm sure you'll be at 4K subs in no time. Thank you for all the great videos, Crystal at Papercraft Crystal. And Crystal, thank you so much for joining in my giveaway. I appreciate that. So she's got something wrapped in this, I think this is wax paper, and I love the feeling of it. Oh, look how pretty. Ooh, that's so nice. So I just want to take a quick look at this. When we look inside, we've got brown paper. And then on the outside, we've got book page that is painted either with a brush or with jelly print. I'm not sure which one, but I love it. And then it's coated in glitter, and it's really so beautiful. So thank you for that. Oh my goodness, look at these goodies, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at the feathers. Oh, these are beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love them. So these look like she did some mixed media on them, and they're gorgeous. Look at the bird. Oh, these are just fantastic. Making sure I'm in frame there. Oh, wow. These are so cool. Oh, yeah, look at this. She definitely did mixed media on these. I love the book page. Look at that, you guys. And then she die cut it out. So cool. Oh, my goodness. Okay, here comes some blue. Now, these are going to be so fun to use as like final decorative pieces. I love how you have that shine on there. That's so pretty. Here's another purple piece. Hopefully I'm in frame. Whoops, I'm sorry, I was sliding out of frame there. And some more bluebirds with some gold and some silver on them. Really pretty. Here's another one. Oh my gosh, these are so cool. Very inspiring. Okay, I'm going to put these here. Then I'm going to show you this owl. Look how cute it is. That's super cute. Oh my gosh, look at this one. I love them. They're so adorable. Aw, look. Oh man, they're so cute. Check these out. Is this one or two? Okay, it's two. Check these out. Really love the way you made these. They're so full of texture. So you could see here there's some cardstock. And then on this side we have book pages. And then some paint. Yeah, these are really, really cool. I love it all. Thank you so much. I can't thank all of you, each and every one of you. Thank you so much for joining in my giveaway. I really appreciate it. If you'd like to join in my giveaway, my friends out there that maybe haven't, I want to let you know that I've extended it till August 28th because the bird journals are not even close to being finished. So you have time. I'll be sure to link my video in the description box so that you can get all the details. Thanks for watching. See you soon.